In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to close the option open to work on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So let's say you got a job and then you no longer want to show other people that you're open to work, because this can help save their time and your time. So let's get started on how to close this option. So as you guys can see right now, my open to work is option, and that's the reason you can see the badge. So to close this, you're gonna head over to your profile by clicking on your profile and clicking view profile. So once you're in this option, now we'll have to close this option. So for that, I'm just gonna click open to option, and then I'm gonna click on this one so I can unselect it. So I'm gonna click on it, and then there'll be this option delete from profile. So you can just click this option and delete, and now it's gonna refresh the page, and then you'll be seeing that this badge will no longer appear. So now if I refresh, as you guys can see, your job preferences have been deleted. So now if I refresh, I'm just gonna refresh the page. You guys can see that the badge is successfully gone and I'm no longer open to work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.